Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable the webcam on your MSI Cyborg 15. And to do it, I'm gonna open the camera app to actually present to you when the camera is on or off. It's the easiest to check here, right? So let's go to the camera app, now it'll load. And we can see the camera app right now. And what you should do to toggle the camera off is go to your keyboard actually. So I'm just gonna hide this app for a moment. Then you'll see the F6 key right here. And if clicking on it alone doesn't toggle the camera off, try clicking on Fn key combined with F6. And if you want to be able to click on F6 alone, you'll need to click on Fn and escape until escape key is lighting up. Now clicking on F6 alone will result in toggling the camera on or off. Now as you go to the camera app, you can see I have the camera up right here. If I click on the F6, now my camera is toggled off. If I click on it again, now it's toggled on and it should be recognized shortly. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.